In this tutorial, I wanted to talk about Reef and how to buy Reef in a really easy manner. So the way I would recommend to you, which you can do it in literally a few minutes, is using Binance. So the first thing, if you don't have a Binance account, just go to the description of this video and grab a link to register, because you can grab extra perks and off trading fees, which I think is great for everyone. After you register and verify your account, you will need to log into your Binance account. And there, the easiest and the fastest way is to press buy with GBP or maybe Euro or USD or your currency which you'll be buying with. And thanks to that, you can use Visa or MasterCard to buy it in a fast way. So I'll press that. Then you need to choose crypto that you would like to buy. So I will search for the Reef. Reef Finance, great, I'll tap on that. And here I need to choose how much of that Reef I would like to buy. Minimum it's £15 or $15 or 15 euro. So I'll put 15 and then I'll press continue. The maximum it's 11,000. Here it will show me that I need to add a card. So if you're buying for the first time, you'll probably need to press add new card. And you need to fill in your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV, and then when you press next, you need to fill in your billing details, which is your address. After adding a card, you will see the card popping in automatically. It will say there Visa or MasterCard with last 4 digits, and it will tell you if you want to use that card. And yes, I will. I'll need to press a refresh, and after I'll need to press confirm. What will happen is that from this moment, I will be able to buy Reef. So I'll be able to buy 2087 of Reef using my card. As you can see, the price of Reef is 0.00703,795 and transaction fee will be 0.31 GBP. Total of £15. Obviously, you have 10 seconds to buy it because the price of the Reef will fluctuate, right? So because of it, you need to be aware that you only have 10 seconds to confirm that transaction. So you need to press refresh. And then within 10 seconds, press confirm, because obviously you're getting a new quote. After, there is a chance that your bank will ask for a verification of the payments. So for example, I have a Revolut, which will ask me to confirm the transaction on the app. This is a pretty standard. If you have other bank, you might have a message or SMS notification, which is just a security precaution, which probably your bank is enforcing. After you do that, you will confirm that transaction. You need to just come back to Binance and you'll see that it's processing the transaction. After the transaction has been successfully processed, you will see, boom, purchase completed, view your balance, and I can see 2087 Reef being added to my accounts. Now, when I go to Spot Wallet, and I'll actually open the Reef, I can see that there is a 2087 Reef on my account. And as you can see, as easy as that, I just bought a Reef. And I think that's a really easy tutorial for everyone. By the way, if you want to see more tutorials like that, just leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you have a coin or token which you would like me to create a tutorial for, or you're struggling to buy, just leave it in the comments. Can you please cover this token, how to buy? I will be happy to cover and help you guys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that video and see you in the next one. Take care.